Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to cook a little something special for me. I usually don't treat myself very, special cooking wise. It's just necessity cooking what I do. But today we've got some bacon wrap fillets. We got some shrimp on some skewers, and we got some asparagus. We're going to throw all that on the charcoal grill it up, and we're going to have a pretty decent meal. So, sit back, relax, and grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get grilling. Alright y'all, here's what we got. We got some asparagus here with a little bit of drizzle on some olive oil, a little black pepper and garlic. We got some shrimp over here on the skewers with Old Bay on them. And we're going to try these new. This is something new. I've never tried these before. They are the black pepper bacon wrapped Angus fillets. Didn't pay a whole lot for these because I got them at the Value grocery store. I think it was $4.99 for both of them. So, never had them before. We're going to try them. So, let's get out there on the grill and get these suckers cooking. Alright y'all, as you can see we got the fillets on there. They're cooking. They've only been on there a couple minutes. We're going to let them cook up. Then we'll add our asparagus on in a few minutes. And then last we'll throw the shrimp on because they don't take that long to cook. But you can see their steaks are cooking away there. Or the fillets cooking away there. So we'll bring you back when we get a little further along. Alright y'all. It's been about 7-8 minutes. Let's check these. Oh, they're starting to cook there. Starting to look pretty good. Ooh, yeah. Getting some nice color on them there. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Getting a little crisp on there. So, I'm going to go ahead and throw the asparagus on. Well, it has time to cook good. Try to keep it from falling through the grates here. And as always, y'all, this is smelling so delicious. YouTube really needs to come up with smell-o-vision where y'all can smell this. Smell what I'm cooking here. So, alright, I'm going to shut the lid, let these cook a little longer, and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, it's a little warm out here. Make sure you stay hydrated and everything. Drink of choice today is the Lipton green tea with citrus. So like I said, make sure you stay hydrated. So good stuff. I love it. Let's check on these steaks and stuff. Oh yeah, they're coming along nicely. I think I'm gonna flip them over again here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. Got a little blood running out of them there. So they're warming up in the middle. Just roll these here a little bit. Soon it'll be time to put the shrimp on. So, and I'm using a different charcoal this time. It's a brand I've never used before. It doesn't feel like it's burning real hot, so it is what it is. They didn't have my regular brand that I usually use, so yeah, see, it's not burning real hot. So like I said, it is what it is. We'll work through it, and Yeah, these asparagus are starting to look pretty good there. So, all right, I'm gonna close this up. We're gonna let her cook for a little bit longer here, and then we'll get the shrimp through on there. All right, y'all. We're gonna check these again. Oh, they're looking really good. Smelling really good too. So, I hope they taste just as good as they smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I think it's time to throw that shrimp on there, because our asparagus looks like it's about done. So I'm going to throw these shrimp on here. And I didn't mention I put a little bit of Old Bay on there. So got them on there. And we'll get these cooking. Let them cook for a little bit there, and we'll come back and flip them over and cook the other side. So hang on. Alright, y'all. Let's check on these shrimp here and see how they're doing. Oh, they're looking like they're cooking. Yeah, they're getting a little orange there. Like I said, I'm not real impressed with this charcoal. It said quick lighting, long lasting. Yeah, it's long lasting because it's not burning very well. So yep, our asparagus is just about done there. So move these steaks up around here a little bit. See if we can get that. That seems like to be the hot part of the grill right there. So all right, we're gonna cook them a little longer there, and we'll bring you back when everything's all done and ready to take off. Alright, y'all. Let's check on them shrimp and stuff again here. All the asparagus is definitely done. Got a nice little brown to it there. Oh yeah. Yep. I think everything's just about done there, so flip them steak over one more time. Make sure they're evenly cooked. Oh yeah. So, alright. I'm going to get this stuff off of here and take it in the house, and we'll get it plated up. We'll bring you all back. Alright, y'all. Got it all plated up. I think it looks delicious. I'm going to cut into this steak here and see what it looks like here. Nice and tender. Oh yeah. There's just a little bit of pink in there. May not show up on camera, but you know, it does look good, so let's give her a try. No, it actually has pretty decent flavor for a cheap steak. So, yeah, I'm gonna get one of these asparagus spheres here. That's got really good flavor too. Just a little bit of crunch left to it. So let's have a shrimp. Really good. Really, really good. So, alright, y'all. That's it. Surf and turf. Gotta love it. Alright, y'all. There you go. Another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Hope you enjoyed this surf and turf. I know I'm going to when I actually sit down and eat it. Appreciate y'all stopping by and checking it out. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what, if you do something different. Remember, everybody, come check out my weekly live stream Sunday nights, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We talk about tractor pulling, talk about small engines, talk about cooking, talk about whatever, projects upcoming and everything, So stop by and check it out. Hopefully in a couple weeks here we're going to be doing some tractor pulling. We got a benefit pull coming up, so I'm looking forward to that. Plan B's ready to go. If you guys seen my last video, we put that front end on it, so he's ready to go. We're ready to rock and roll on that. So appreciate y'all. Like I said, leave me a comment, share this out, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Bear appetit.